exciting because you know.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah, you know, and I think that, you know, it used to be that, you know, we always like to read science fiction book because it's really, you know, we want to dream about the future.
Yeah.
I think great about Keysight is that we're helping to enable that future.
With its origins dating back to the early 1970s, Keysight Technologies has since expanded to a 42-acre site in Penang, making its mark in the nation's technological journey. Now, let's find out what sets Keysight apart from others in the electronics measurement industry. Having played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of innovation for over 8 decades, Keysight's history is deeply intertwined with the evolution of the electrical and electronics industry. The company's legacy is one of relentless innovation, creating a benchmark for excellence in electronic measurement. Their commitment in advancing the frontiers of technology is reflected in its portfolio, which offers comprehensive solutions tailored to meet the needs of a wide range of industries, spanning from communications to industrial automation, automotive to semiconductor, and general electronics markets. Its unwavering dedication to staying ahead of the curve. The company continually demonstrates industry leadership by co-innovating with its partners, understanding market trends and moving with speed. They focus to deliver innovative solutions that include hardware, software, and services.
You know, we engage with our customers at the very stage of technology development. So going back to, let's say, communication, before even 5G started, we're really working with the standard bodies, we're really working with the customers to advocate the new standard of 5G. And now we are doing the same thing for 6G.
The company has also made inroads into the quantum computing space by providing tools that allow quantum computing to be developed. They have also acquired 2 companies recently to enhance their role around the space.
Ultimately, I still want to reflect back that the reason why, you know, we have this differentiation is because we are always at the age of differentiated technologies. And what we do is that we help our customers to make tomorrow technology real. See, the buzzword that we use is that you know, we help our customers to make, you know, tomorrow technology real so that it can perform in the real world environment, that it can work in the real world application.
With an impressive collection of over 3,800 patents and a consistent stream of hundreds of new inventions each year, Keysight is a vital repository of knowledge capital. Keysight's commitment to innovation extends beyond its vast patent portfolio and proprietary hardware and software solutions developed in-house. The company actively collaborates with universities, industry consortiums, and leading technology firms to stay at the cutting edge of technology. For Keysight, there are no challenges per se, as technology is evolving.
Technology evolution, you know, is always evolving, right? I mean, if I use, let's say, the world of transportation is a good example, right?
Okay.
3-4 years ago, I'm sure everybody is advocating that we'll be driving around without a driver anyway, autonomous vehicle, right?
Okay.
Well, I think the technology is there, right? But there are still areas that we are still working through. So it's not the lack of technology. I mean, you got to worry about legislation, for example. You got to worry about, you know, government regulatory control, right? So I would say that, you know, some application that will customer takes longer time, but I still believe that it will still evolve.
On this, Soon Chai singled out the healthcare industry where Keysight accelerated technology in order to achieve its outcome.
In some cases, you know, we actually accelerate the innovation, right? And, you know, back to, let's say, digital healthcare.
Yeah.
We are now working with one specific companies to bring, you know, the diagnostic. Let's say if a person have a stroke, right? Typically how it works is that you have to bring a person to the hospital. Then they do the MRI scan, they do the CT scan. Usually during that period, it may be too late, right? And you may have a major issue. So we are working with specific companies whereby we can put in some of our RF microwave capability into essentially portable devices. So the moment someone has a stroke, you could actually put that devices on your head, and then very quickly they could give you a first level diagnostic to say what is your issue. Now, of course, and of course the resolution is different. You still got to go to the hospital, but at least you have almost an instant diagnostic that allow you to take some action.
In addition, the company actively supports career development, believing that employee growth is synonymous to customer success and, in turn, its own growth. In 2023, Keysight was named in Forbes' list of world's best employers, besides being named one of the best companies to work for in Asia in 2022 and 2023. Keysight is not only an industry leader, but also a torchbearer for sustainable practices and community engagement. Its dedication to environmental sustainability is evident in the establishment of Penang's largest industry single rooftop solar power generation system. The company also plays a pivotal role in advancing STEM education in Penang and the entire country, actively engaging in outreach programs spanning primary to tertiary education through various platforms like science fairs, digital libraries, and STEM workshops that encompass areas such as coding and 3D modeling.
We helped to set up the Penang, the Science Cafe, which is a collaborative space for community.
Science Cafe.
Yeah, Science Cafe. So it's really a collaborative space where they could actually, community can go in, they can use this as a lab to experiment new things, right? We also have been a major founder to set up the Penang Digital Library, right? Because we were telling the Penang government that gone are the days that children is only looking at books, paper book, for example. Now technology is really all in the air. You could actually have electronic books.
For Keysight, the new world of expansion does not just involve the number of buildings, but in terms of value.
Recently, we acquired a company, a simulation company. The company is called ESI. It's based in France, right? We acquired a company, and that gave us capability to do virtual prototyping, right? And which is very useful, especially for the aerospace industry. It's very useful, essentially, for the automotive industry, right? So there's one level expansion.
The company is also developing a lot of technology in-house in the RF microwave area, not only for 6G, but also commercial satellite development. In the semiconductor industry, Keysight designed proprietary semiconductor ASIC and MMIC technologies that are specially customized for test and measurement equipment. Keysight enabled their customers to advance the next generation semiconductor chipsets.
Our goal is really to build a better world, a world where people can have a better place to live, a world that's more secure, and at the same time, a world that's more connected, right? So it ties in with all the technology I mentioned, right? In the communication, how we bring the world together through the, in the world of transportation, how we can support, net zero emission, as we evolve more, from ICE, internal combustion engine, all the way to, to the EV arena.
Making the world a better place to live in is definitely the key to Keysight Technologies innovating and developing solutions to achieve, among others, better communication and security. I'm Anne Edwards from ACES.